Firecracker plant. These colorful grass-like plants will bloom almost year-round and take a break in winter. Growing 3 to 5 feet tall and wide, they provide copious amounts of red tubular flowers that are a hummingbird and butterfly favorite. Pruning can keep them in check if you prefer a tidier look, but they're best in a spot where they can spread. Firecracker plant is most common in informal or tropical gardens, although we see it used in tidy formal gardens when used sparingly or as an accent. They are native to Mexico and Guatemala. They do best in USDA hardiness zones 9 through 11. Chiltepin. These are fast-growing peppers to as much as 6 feet in height. These small pea-sized peppers range from 100 to 250,000 Scoville units, as compared to jalapeños at under 10,000 units. They are the only wild native chili peppers to North America. They are the official native pepper of Texas and popular in Sonoran cuisine. They will continue growing where protected in warmth indoors or regenerate from stem buds in spring. Lilac bell pepper. This sweet pepper vegetable plant grows to 2 feet in height. Plant 18 to 24 inches apart in full sun. Lilac colored 4 to 6 inch peppers mature within 60 to 80 days of their summer blooms. These colorful heirloom peppers are high in vitamin A and C. They do best in USDA hardiness zones 10 through 12. Moranga Tree. They grow to 35 feet in height. They're drought tolerant. They prefer moderate sun but can tolerate high heat. They're native to India and Asia. Feathery tripinnate foliage and seed pods are cultivated as vegetables for water purification and herbal medicines. They do best in USDA hardiness zones 9 through 12. Kangaroo Paw Fern, also known by the common name kangaroo foot fern, which as with paw is due to the fuzzy spreading rhizomes. Native to Australia, this foliage plant is popular both as a house plant, growing to 12 inches tall and draping 2 to 4 feet, and also making an excellent ground cover. They prefer full sun to partial shade. They do best in USDA hardiness zones 9 through 11.